Hey fluffy unicorns, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we got slime. Well, we've done like 6 videos today, haven't we, Ava? Yeah, we've done loads. And we made this, didn't we, Ava? Yeah, we made it earlier. I gave Clara that bit to take home. Yeah, because I did help her a bit. And then we love playing with it, don't we, Ava? I know. I love squishies, like. I love squishy. Ava has a million of them. She has a whole collection. We can do a video on them later if you want. Yeah. We want to get this video to 15 likes. And then we'll do 2 eat it wear it or challenges. And the next day. Because in a few other videos we said if we get that 10 or 5 likes we'll do eat it wear it. But this time we'll do 2 if you do this. So what I like to do is I like to stretch it, but also look up, listen to this. Doesn't that just sound so satisfying? Well, we're not going to do this video for long because there's not really much to speak about it. And yeah, it's just literally like clear, blue, glittery. We're also going to do this new thing on our channel, but we want it to be a surprise. It's going to be on our next video. Then after, we could actually do squishy video if you really want. Comment down below if you want us to do squishy videos. Just listen to that. Ooh, satisfying. Ooh. So guys, we're going to say bye to you now. Hope you had a good video. Goodbye. Yeah.